Hello, Caroline at Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing a resistance band workout. This has 6 exercises. It is meant to be done 4 times in total, so I'll take you through the first time and you can feel free to watch again and continue to do it. So we're going to start with squats. 15 reps, so you're going to hold up here and squat. Make sure you keep your back straight. Good job. Almost done. Good job. All right. Next, we're going to be doing a lunge with a bicep curl. So we'll do 10 reps per side. So we'll lunge, then curl. Lunge, then curl. Last one. Good. Now 10 on the other side. Last one. Good. When you're using this band, make sure you're very gentle when you take it off your feet so it doesn't snap back and hit you. All right. Next, we're going to do lateral hops. So 1, jumping and back over is 1. We'll do 10. Next, we're going to get on the mat, and we're going to do some hip bridges or hip thrusts. So you're going to hold your band, put it over your hips, and we'll do 15. Almost done. Good. We're going to stay down here and we're going to do hip extension. So we're going to do 10 per leg. So you'll start and have one foot on. Easier said than done. 1 foot. She'll come into all fours. And you're just going to extend back. 10 per leg. Right, then we'll switch for the other side. Same thing, 10 per leg. Good job. All right, I'm gonna grab some water. Then we have one more Last is overhead tricep extension. So it doesn't matter which foot you have it on, we're gonna do 12. Good job. Good. All right. So those are your 6 exercises for your resistance band workout. Again, it's meant to be done 4 times in total, but do what feels good for you. If you're newer to working out, try to just do it 1 time. If that feels good, do it 2 times. So just kind of gauge yourself. As always, make sure you're warming up and cooling down after to make sure you're taking care of your body. Thank you for joining us. Have a good one.